In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the main table or table view in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com board. This is the central place where your project information lives, and it's where you can view, organize, and update your work. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the board views at the top of the screen. This area lets you switch between different ways of looking at the same information, depending on what you want to focus on. From there, select Main Table or Table View. This view is one of the most useful and straightforward layouts in Monday.com because it presents your work in a clean spreadsheet style format. It's especially helpful when you want a full overview of your tasks, projects, or workflow details in one place. Once you're in the table view, take a moment to review your items in rows and columns. Each row typically represents a single task, item, or record, while each column contains a specific type of information related to that item. This format makes it easy to scan your board quickly, compare details across multiple items, and spot anything that needs attention. Next, add columns for the details you want to track, such as status, owner, date, priority, or files. Adding the right columns helps tailor the board to your team's process and gives everyone clearer visibility into what's happening. For example, a status column can show progress, an owner column can clarify responsibility, and a date column can help keep deadlines visible. Priority and file columns can also make the board more practical and complete. After your columns are in place, sort, filter, or group the table as needed. This is a great way to make the board easier to work with, especially when you have a lot of items. Sorting can help you arrange information in a logical order. Filtering can narrow your view so you only see what matters at the moment, and grouping can organize similar items together for a cleaner, more focused layout. Finally, update items directly from the table view. One of the biggest advantages of this view is that you don't have to open each item individually to make changes. You can click into cells and quickly adjust statuses, assign owners, change dates, or update other details right from the table itself. This makes managing your board faster, simpler, and much more efficient. That's how to use the main table or table view in Monday.com to keep your work organized and up to date.